80-20 components can be used to make all kinds of constructions. They are kind of like Legos in that way. What are some creations that you could make using 80-20 components, and why would it make sense to use 80-20 versus an off-the-shelf solution?
Because, as the lesson says, the 80-20 components already comes tested. And, I mean, anytime, if you were to invest all the time in the manufacturing and the money buying the parts in creating something similar to an 80-20 hardware, time is money. If you add it all up, you're much better off just getting the 80-20 hardware.
Yeah, and I've seen it used to make all sorts of things. Tables, desks, frames for automation equipment, cabinets, doors and drawers, all kinds of different things, but mainly structural type creations.
As an entrepreneur, I think that sounds like a good business, being in the 80-20 business. People don't want to replicate what you already have. They just want to buy off you so they can build their own things.
Yeah, and I should be clear that 80-20, I think I said this in the lesson, but just to really bring this home, 80-20 is a brand name. It's like Kleenex is to tissue paper. There are other brands out there that do these aluminum extrusions. 80-20 is just one, but one of the most popular. Okay, so last question. What are some limitations to using 80-20 hardware?
First thing that comes to mind is looking at some photos here in this lesson, the size. Maybe you wanted to make a different 3D printed. I suppose this is somebody that made their 3D printed machine at home. This is a 3D printed machine, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or the size when I see something so big.
Yep.
If 80-20 doesn't have the size you're looking for, you may just have to make it.
Yeah, customization is the roadblock or the deficit, the problem with using these aluminum extrusions. And you can customize it to some extent. Like these aluminum extrusions, you can buy them pretty long, like up to I think 8 feet or 10 feet or something like that. And it's pretty easy to just cut them down to whatever length you want. And they also come in different sizes, like 1 inch wide, 1.5 inches wide, 2 inches wide. So there are a few different sizes in that direction as well. But if you want to do anything that's really customized, then 80-20 is not a good solution because the whole platform is built on modularity and common sizes and hardware.
Like any business rule of thumb, if there's a high demand of what you're trying to build, it's likely that they have it.
Yeah. Yep.
That concludes.
If you found this content helpful, consider enrolling in our signature program at mypipelineacademy.com. Whether you're an individual interested in beginning a new career as a mechanical designer or a company interested in training your new engineering hires, our signature program helps students develop the practical skills they need to be productive mechanical design engineers. Seating is limited. We hope to see you there soon.